Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Minecraft Java with a controller. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to know, for the first setup, you should go ahead and use a USB cable, okay? Connected to your controller. Alright, and then we're going to download 3 things. Now, as per your controller, go ahead and disconnect it first from your computer, as we are going to plug it back in when the game opens. Alright, so first up again, download Fabric right here, Fabric Minecraft. Click on the first search result, download right here, and wait for the download universal jar button to pop up. Just click on it, save it on your desktop. Now download the Fabric API as well. Just click on it, go to Files. Once it loads, go ahead and find your game version. I currently have 1.21.11, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And also the latest one right here at the top. Download. Save it on your desktop as well. And we are going to find Midnight Controls Minecraft right here. Midnight Controls Minecraft. Go ahead and click on Labyrinth. I go to download right here. Game version, same version. Platform, Fabric. So select Fabric, download. Save your desktop, save. Once that's done, close the browser. And here we have 3 installers, okay? Open up a Fabric installer first. Install. Once that's done, click on OK. Close, delete the installer. Now we have these 2. So go ahead and open up Minecraft Launcher. Now under Java Edition, go ahead over to installations and you should be able to see Fabric Loader. Now click on the folder icon and let's go ahead and go to mods, double click on mods. Now if you don't have mods folder right here, you can just go ahead and click on new right here, add in a mods folder, okay? So we have these 2. Let's move it to the mods folder. And then once that's done, close this one, hit on play right here and prepare your controller, okay? Wait for the game to open. And then once that's done, connect your controller via USB. Or you could go ahead and try to connect it via Bluetooth, okay? I'm going to connect it right now. And I'm just going to wait for a pop-up right here at the top right. There you go. As you can see here, it says 0, but don't worry, it's going to work, okay? As you might have heard, I'm currently using my sticks. All right. So A for selection. I'm going to use my D-pad right here. I'm going to go ahead over to options, then controls. Then at the top right, okay, you'll have the controller option. You're going to want to click on it or select it, hit on A, and then here you have a ton of options. You could enable second controller as well. Input mode, you have keyboard and mouse. Auto switch, yes. Invert, and some other options. Dead zones as well. So just hit on done, then open up a game, and you should be good to go. All right, just gonna hit on play right here just for you to see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my joystick right here. Up, down, left, right, look left, look up, look down. Jump A, throw B, inventory Y, and so on and so forth. That is it. That is how you play Minecraft Java with a controller. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.